I would like to use my drone to collect data from my trial field. But it is not yet so simple. I put a number every 5 fields to find all the fields on the video. Then the question is, what is the best position to get good data? Flying over the crop has its advantages. This is not the way. And then the flight altitude. The ground cover can be seen nicely here. Here the development and status and other matters. I don't know yet, but this is an addition. What do you think about this? Thanks for watching.